Just asking. I just also answer. When you come to Mpumalanga to teach for free, very soon. For vacation, I just came back from there. Our man, 10,000 yen. 10,000 for you, brother. Please say charara. Chairara or charara, what do you say? With RCG, how much money can you make in a year? That's really up to you, bro. That's really up to you. Ash. OG Kruger, who this nigga saying he had an offer for me? Oh shit. Sorry, bro. What's up, Doc? Ash, we had the offers with bands. Please make D, that's all. You and Benz and let me see. You, Benz, I think Max. You guys think I'm a Uber Eats Nyana, ne? I'm gonna bring you one fry. When you said I'm eating McD, what if it's chicken leg? They have McD fries. Which trader uses ECN? Me, I do. When the royalties pull up, it's a chai fest. Chayington. Chai off. Chai away. Well, circle, this lingo is crazy. Oxygen is the best broker I've ever come across. We'll learn a lot when you guys come here in Botswana. Of course, Oxygen is by far number one leader, man. Add for me too. I'm also at the office. Oh yeah, this one is for you, Tumelo. This one is for you. Everybody gets a fry. You get a fry. You get a fry.
All getting fries.
You're all getting fries. So as it speaks, I'm coming with 5 fries. 3 fries. 4 fries. Yeah, that's all maximum, guys. There's no ketchup. And I have to come with them holding them in my hand. How long did it take you to make $1 million? That's years back, boy. Years back. $1 million? Yeah. I'm with Gustavo. Gustavo, they're asking how long it took me to make $1 million. That's years back. Yeah. Back then. When we're living life on the pedestal. To this day, man. Anyway, guys, let me eat, man. Love and appreciate. Stay blessed. Let's chop CPI, Botswana. See you guys this coming weekend. Royal Circle. Me and my boy Kelly. King Kelly, the young and blessed. You know him. So we're pulling up. It's going to be a Mars. I'm going to be out there with Shake It Up. Shake Money. Shake's cool. If you guys know, go check him out as well. I think Ria's coming through. A lot of people are coming through. Mazu is coming through. Silo's coming through. Botswana. Let's make it a jump.